Assalamu alaikum, dear student friends. I hope you are all well. On behalf of the magistrate, I welcome everyone. Now let's begin our discussion. We will talk about the SSC exam 2026. That is for those of you who will be taking the pre-test and the test. This is very important for you. What topics will we discuss? Especially, we will talk about the topics that appeared in the SSC exam 2025, focusing on those topics. For example, we will discuss the question papers of each board, like Dhaka Board 2025, and there will also be a discussion on the answer scripts. Many student friends tend to leave after that part. You can see our first math problem letter here. This type of problem, such as, if the same work is done twice, 4 power 5, and remains constant in the y term, what is the value of f minus 1? These kinds of problems are very easy, but when you try to solve them, often you run out of time. Look, there are many options given. From these, we have to choose our option. In that case, we will do the calculation carefully. If we start the calculation, it is given here like this. It is given for the time when y is substituted. The work to be done is 4 power 5y squared minus 3. But here I have to find the value for minus 1. So what do we have to do? We have to write minus 1 here, since it was here. And in this case, minus 1 is here. Therefore, in place of y, we just substitute minus 1. We will substitute 1. In that case, minus 1 to the power, so it becomes 4 plus 5 times minus 1 squared minus 3. Notice, if you multiply minus 1 by minus 1, what do you get? You get 1. Because minus 1 times minus 1, when multiplied, becomes plus 1, since minus times minus is plus. And if you multiply again, it becomes plus. So it becomes minus, but in our case, that's not there. So if there is a power, you have to remember this. Now, since this has 1 clause, notice that here it is 1 clause, but here it has a power of 2. So if we multiply 2 times 1 is 2, and multiplying again, it also becomes plus. So pulse 5 times 3. Now notice here it becomes 6 times 3, which equals 3. That means our answer will be this value. Okay, so our answer is 3, and that's the final answer here. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood. If you didn't, be sure to leave a comment.